Hey, Jeremy here from LATT SEO. In this video, I'm walking through an audit I did for a prospect to share with them a number of different elements that can be improved and cleaned up on their site from an SEO perspective to help them generate more organic traffic, rank better, and likely generate more revenue as well. Let's get into it. The first thing to look at is some general overview site data. And I'm just looking at Spring Step shoes here. We can look at other sites and other brands as well. But for this purpose of this video here and to keep it as brief as possible and give you a value in a short period of time, we'll just look at one. So the first thing to look at is referring domains. And a referring domain, if you're unfamiliar, is a unique instance of a different website on the internet linking to you. And the reason I look at these is because Google does. And Google views referring domains or links from other websites as votes of confidence or a trust signal. As a site owner, you want to have other sites linking to you. And as you do, Google sees that and views your site as a trusted site as well. Also, as you get more referring domains, your DR or domain rating tends to increase as well. This is on a 0 to 100 scale and essentially tells us how strong your site is and also lets us know how competitive a keyword or phrase is likely to be to rank for. So that being said, let's look at some keyword data, and then I'll look at one specific example that you should work to optimize to improve that can help you get more traffic. So if we look here at this keyword chart, this shows all keywords and phrases your site is ranking for. In Google, you can see 7,378, and I have it sorted by search volume per month. Now, some of these are pretty broad key phrases, and we could still look at potentially targeting them if you wanted to. Like sandals is really broad. 314,000 people search this every month. You're at number 20. So it would take a significant amount of effort even to go from 20 to the middle of page 1. Same thing with clogs. Mary Jane shoes, similarly. But we start getting down into some of these that are a little bit more specific, and then it starts to make sense at the massive potential here as well. So one example that I wanted to share with you is comfortable shoes for women. And I'll do one other search here for you in a second, but I wanted to look at and show you all keyword opportunities for this by itself. So if we look at all key phrases that contain comfortable shoes for women, 573 keywords, 29,000 searches per month, global, that's US based, global search volume, 47,000 searches per month. And some of these wouldn't make sense, or we can create additional collections to target just these subcategories, like comfortable dress shoes for women instead of comfortable shoes for women, comfortable work shoes for women, and so on. I think you get the point, but huge opportunity here. So what is going on here with this page for you? Why is your page for comfortable shoes for women ranking at number 18 and only getting 34 visitors per month instead of the 7,900 or of the 7,900 potential searches? So a couple things to look at here. First would be looking at the results here in Google to see how competitive it currently is. So I want to look at the DR column here first. So we have Nordstrom 86, Comfort One shoes 36, Macy's 86, Clark's 73, OTB T shoes 31, and then you're down here at number 18 with a DR 31 as well. So you're in the ballpark actually of ranking with one of the top 3 ranking sites here. And next things to look at then would be content and optimizing the page correctly for you. So from a page perspective, this is where it really starts to make sense. The title here for you is Women Comfort Shoes instead of comfortable shoes for women. So if we look here again at this page, a couple things going on. The title, if I go to view the page source, which will show you the code, if I look at the title, this shows you Women Comfort Shoes, Spring Step Shoes, official. And then we look at the description here. The description is beautifully crafted women's shoes designed for comfort, fashion, and longevity. And then discover why women all over want to use this shoe. So you don't have that keyword in there in either spot. Secondly, the collection title here is just women's. So if I do an inspect here, and I realize I'm jumping around a lot and my goal here is to give you as much data as possible in a short period of time and deliver you value for this. So in H1, your H1 is women's. So what this tells Google basically is this page should rank for women's. That's it. Or women comfort shoes. One last thing to look at. This key phrase here, the difference. The search volume of women's comfort shoes versus comfortable shoes for women. So for women's comfort shoes, 400 people search this every month. Comfortable shoes for women, according to this part here, shows 7,500. So huge potential difference there in what the page should be optimized for if you wanted to get more traffic of people looking for probably the exact same thing. So what I would recommend is optimizing this page correctly with an updated and optimized page title, updated and optimized H1s, and then potentially adding additional content on this page to
target and explain a little bit about these different shoes. And then also working to build more collections if needed to target additional keywords and categories. So lots of opportunity here for you, lots of potential. I'd be glad to chat with you about how I can help further.
Hope you got some value from that video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. It would help me out. I'd appreciate it. And if you're looking for help with your SEO, fill out the contact form in the description or in the comment section of the video here. And I'll take a look at your website, your details, and see how I can best help you improve your organic SEO, generate more traffic, and improve your revenue as well. And that's it. Thanks.